nowadays, no one is ready to encourage us. They're only waiting for our failure. They're only waiting to find out our mistake. You're doing this mistake, this grammar mistake, your pronunciation is not good, like that. But no one is willing to encourage us. So we are the only person who want to encourage ourselves in this English journey. Meeting for first time, let me know about yourself.
Yeah, definitely. I will give you an introduction in front of you. My name is Naveen. I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand, and I have done my 12th standard. And right now, I'm pursuing a DCA course for my higher education. And if you talk about my hobbies are playing cricket, football, and sometimes traveling because I connect with nature. So I love traveling. That's all about myself.
Wow, great, amazing. And do you have YouTube channel?
Yes, ma'am. I have YouTube channel.
Wow, fantastic to hear about it. So let me introduce myself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, my name is Priya. I am from Tamil Nadu. I am also a college going student. Currently, I am studying BA English Literature final year in Government Arts and Science College. Right now, I am looking forward more conversation in order to improve my English fluency. Yes, I have a YouTube channel which called Priya's English World, where I can post spoken English related content. So that's it all about me.
I think, ma'am, you created like a lot of English environment in your home also.
Wow, yes, I'm just doing it because I want to immerse myself in English.
Yeah, ma'am, because when you speak English, I think you are feeling very energetic. Also, I watched your video, every video. I think I'm your subscriber.
Wow, thanks a lot. I'm so grateful for you. Yes, okay, let's talk about most important topic. How did you learn English? Because your mother tongue is not English, isn't it?
Yes, yes. My mother tongue is Hindi.
Hindi. Okay. So could you please share about your English journey in a brief?
Yes, ma'am. Before 3 months, I just started to learn this language, and at times I was feeling unconfident while talking with people, and I was nervous. But try to like I thought one time I should try to talk with any people, and like let me think like if I'm wrong, yeah, right. It does not matter. Try to talk. I also thought in my mind, like what will people say? It's not a matter for me. Also, I have to go because it's my life. And so that times I try to talk any person. Like also, I think before 1 month I joined this Skype and try to another any co-learners with like confident. I have word here, no word. Does not matter. Try to talk with people. Sir. And before 3 months, I just started to learn this language. And now I'm confident to learn. Every day I try to connect with 2 or 3 person.
Wow, so great and so inspiring that you have learned English within 3 months.
I given 3 or 4 hours in this language. Like also I have to talk with 2 or 3 person every day. I try to talk 3 or 4 hours. After
Four
this
hours.
conversation, I will go to like front of mirror and try to talk any like topics I will choose and try to talk with mirror. And also if I get a chance to talk people, I am ready for talks. And also I have like another work. I'm listening. Also I like music and also I watch English content, also English movie.
Wow, that's a good job you're doing. You know one thing, you're so inspiring for a lot of English learners because here there are a lot of learners are there who have been learning language for a year, for 2 years, 3 years, more than that, but they are not be fluent in English. Within 3 months, you have done a great job. You are speaking English very good with so much of confidence and a beautiful smile on your face. Fantastic. So when it comes to me, I have started my English journey 1 year before. Right now, I'm studying my third year. When I was studying second year, I have started my English journey. So I faced a lot of negativities, criticism, negative comments too. So even though I have faced a lot of criticism, I never ever give up. I still continue consistently. I work upon my English fluency. I have rectified my mistakes, and right now I have gained a lot of confidence to make and these kind of conversation with you, and I would really like to enjoy the process of making these kind of conversation, interacting with unknown peoples, strangers, and knowing a lot of things, sharing the information and gaining the knowledge, etc. So I'm really enjoying this process, and I would really excited to hear about that. You have been spending 4 to 3 hours here for a single day for your learning purpose, especially in English. That's so good. How is it possible for you? Don't you have college like that?
First of all, I would like to thank you, ma'am. You appreciate me. Yeah, I try to spend more times in this language. And right now, I'm not like a person who go to a school, who go to like college. I just spend like times in with family, also with my like rooms. Also in my room, just I try to talk like some you can say some things. Here is my door. Here is my mirror. I try to talk with like a door. Suppose I become a like door friends and try to talk door, what's your name, and something try to talk with the door. And also here is my chair, I try to talk with chair. That means a little bit I try to talk with like some things, some like materials also in our like home. So a lot of like materials are available, we should just connect with them and try to talk. If we don't have like much resources, so this thing I have to do.
Okay, that's so fine. That door wall become friends for you, which means they are your co-learners that you can make conversation with them. But they don't react. But you're doing such a great job, because in this world nowadays people are only criticizing, saying excuses that I don't have time, I don't have
Yes, yes.
anyone, I don't have this environment, these kind of stuffs in between. But you are so inspiring. Great.
Nowadays just people they procrastinate their times, and day by day like they say yeah today they will give 4 hours, yet 2 hours, but sometimes like suddenly they just procrastinate their times. So I think that this don't should procrastinate their times and don't waste times. If they are like dedicated to learn this language, they have to choose like environment. They don't have to make environment automatically in our home, like a lot of things are available, they have to connect with them.
Yes, of course. And due to a lot of distraction, especially about social media, people are procrastinating these things. So we
Yes,
want
yes.
to use our time, spend our time wisely. So likewise, when it comes to you, you are spending your time in appropriate manner, especially in order to improve your communication skill. Great. So what kind of strategies did you follow in order to improve your English fluency nowadays?
Nowadays, I'm trying to talk with co-learners also. Nowadays, also I watch English movie because I like English content, also English movie, and like try to consume lot of like information about English related. Because if we like have like good topics, good command in English, because nowadays people want to talk in a topics, so we have to just cover like something like current topics, like what is happening in our India, what is happening in our international things. If we have like good information, automatically we will deliver like in a good way, and people want to listen our voice in a silent. So that's thing I'm doing. Yeah.
Yeah, that's wonderful. It's essential thing that if we want to convey our opinion and message for other people from various states, means definitely English plays a significant role. English act as a medium, because you're from various state. I am from Tamil Nadu. Even you didn't know my mother tongue, I didn't know your mother tongue, but we are making this conversation, we are communicating with help of English. So English plays
Yes.
significant role, no? So I think we are just traveling in the same boat, that we are improving our English communication. Definitely, we are spending this time in a worthwhile manner. When compared to other people who are spending their time on social media, we are doing a great job. So we want to give appreciation and pat on our shoulder, because nowadays no one is ready to encourage us. They're only waiting for our failure. They're only waiting to find out our mistake. You're doing this mistake, this grammar mistake, your pronunciation is not good, like that. But no one is willing to encourage us. So we are the only person who want to encourage ourselves in this English journey.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I try to like give some rewards of me also. Just to suppose today is Sunday, and also in the morning times I went like one is shop. Like I have eaten like some like you can say fast food because I have given my like rewards of myself because when I have like done something new, na, that time I try to give reward with myself. And I that times I thought like I should eat like something special. It's my reward. I can take like through this like different things in a like a reward. And yeah,
Yeah, it's really needed thing. Can't give reward to ourselves, miss, who can give? We are the only person. We want to motivate ourselves. We want to believe in ourselves. So you have completed your schooling in government sector. Even I too. From my childhood, still now I'm doing my graduation on Government Arts and Science College only. So the most important problem that we are facing as an English learner without English environment, lack of English environment, isn't it?
yes, yes.
And what
But we are
about your
trying to
yes, yes.
but we are trying to learn this language in a good way, in a professional. So I think yeah, it is good for us. Definitely we can achieve this goal.
Yeah, definitely. We are doing such a wonderful job. We have achieved off of the journey. We have crossed off of the sea. So we only have a little bit far more distance to achieve our fluency. I think within this year, we definitely going to achieve our fluency. 1 year is enough for us to master our English.
Yes, yes.
This is a fantastic journey from your side, especially your English journey and YouTube journey. So good. And you are doing such a wonderful job. Just keep doing it. Definitely, you are going to achieve a fluency. You have a great future because you are very productive and spending your time and not using social medias for a long time in your day. So that's also inspiring.
And definitely I will try to give my best next video because it's my first video with you. And definitely when I meet with you, I try to give my best.
Yeah, sure. Wish you all the very best. Keep practicing. Yeah, within 1 month, we will connect again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a
Yes,
wonderful
ma'am.
day.